So here is what the Ninja processor look like. So these are what we got. This, you can use this for smoothie beautifully well. You can also use this for smoothie. So it came in 3, 1, 2, 3. And you have this blade that you can just put in if you want to blend your ogbono, your melon, whatever you call it. And with the smoothie as well, if you want to blend the smoothie, this will easily do that for you. It crunches like no other processor. Seriously, this is a very good processor. You can use this, and if you're not using the blade, you can just cover it like this and keep. And you can even blend stuff and leave it in and just cover it and maybe put it in your freezer or wherever you like to keep your things. And we have the mother hen here. This is the base that is doing all the magic. So this is the new series of the Ninja processor. This is the new series of the Ninja processor. We have these if you want to blend anything that doesn't really need hard work. Maybe you want to do rough blending, you can easily use this, which this does as well. But with this you can easily do a rough blending on it. It comes out very, very well. Maybe you want to make a red oil sauce, you just want the tomato not to be too smooth, you want it rough, this will do it for you easily. Which I like these a lot. So you can also use this, because when I was in my son's godparents' house, we used this to like crunch pepper. There is a setting you have to like put it on and it just blend roughly for you. Yeah, so she was actually telling me a lot about it. With this, I actually like the way this actually stick in close very well. So with this, if you want to like dice your yellow pepper, red pepper, those bay pepper, and you feel you don't want to use your hand to do that, this will do it for you. So you just close it, put it up, and it start blending. I know this because my previous processor have this function as well. So you just put it and it dies anything you put in here. It dies it to the shape you want. Like this is the shape you're gonna get. Yeah, it is very beautiful. What else? What have I not mentioned? Somebody tell me. With this one, if you want to blend stone, this will blend stone for you. If you are blending coconut, you are blending beans, you're blending all those hard stuff that will stress your blender or your processor, please go get this. It crunches like no man business. Because when I saw my son's godparents using it and it was crunching the thing, I was like, excuse me, did you put water? No, she didn't put water, and it was just crunching. I was like, no, then I have to get this. It crunches very, very well. So if you're looking for a very good processor and you blend a lot of hard stuff and you need something that will not stress you, please get the Ninja processor. It works very, very well. If you're interested in getting one of these processors, I'll be leaving the link in the description section. Don't hesitate to check. Click on it and take you direct to Amazon for you to make your order. It's just £170, which really worth it. Look at what it came with. It came with this, and these other 3. It is beautiful. And I think I'm missing one thing. What I did not, have I mentioned this? So this, if you want to make like pando with your processor, this is what you use. You don't use the blade, you don't use the melter blade, you use the plastic one. It will definitely blend your pando for you very, very well. So it depends on what you want to use it with. However, when we are cooking, we're going to be trying different stuff on the blender so you guys can see how it actually works. So if you want to learn how to prepare Nigeria delicacy without spending all day in the kitchen, then you should hit on the follow button and press on your notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.